Oh. I think it's Hershey's here.
Okay.
Okay. Wow! Acting na acting ka. Alright, thank you. Wow! Gosh, look at that, y'all. Isn't that so pretty? Guys, there's a starfish, big starfish. That's a real starfish, y'all. Touch that starfish. We should wash our hands first now. Oh, this one. Oh, it's so slimy. Oh my gosh, it's so rough. I don't want. Oh. I want to touch the other one. Oh my gosh, look at that. You can see right here. What is that? What is that? Ooh! Oh my god, yeah. The other one is so slimy. I like this one. It's not rough. Like, it's so smooth, like a skin. They're not gonna bite, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, funny. Like, they're actually so small, though. That one. Eating? It's press here. Gaga.
Press here.
Nagtingog mo ito sila ganina. It's so skibidi. It's a steak, guys. It's a steak. Aquaman. Yeah. Oh, is that Aquaman? Si Aquaman na.
Dili si Poseidon mata ni.
Poseidon?
Poseidon ba itong nasa tubig?
Really sea dragons. Really sweet sea dragon. Let me.
Binalagi ko ano. Yan ang propeller. Ayan, propeller. Yan ang kuwan.
Propeller? Hello!
Makalibat kayo pag hudong ka.
I know, when you go under, it looks like kanang magnifying glass. Hello! Nag-ano siya siya mo to. They were born in sea life now. Whoa! Wait, there's a seahorse here as well. That one. It's so close. Say hi to the camera. What? Pregnant? Oh. It's pregnant. That one, is that pregnant? Yes! Oh my gosh, what if mga anak sila today?
Diyan na sila.
That's a boy. Uy, nga na rin itsura, oh. Hot belly seahorse. It's blurred. I don't like it. Wait, maybe the camera can see. Oh, it can see something. Wala, unsa ni? Upside down lagi sila. It looks like blood. Wait, they look so nice because it looks like they're just floating. Like they're not even swimming at all. They're just like living life. Yes. Current simulator. Press the button to send a gentle current through the aquarium. Is that a current? Yo, oh my god, that looks so cute. Oh this one, what is that? Oh, help me! What is that? Can you come out, please? Hello, look at yourself in the mirror.
Okay.
There's another one right there who's like looking at us. Yeah, okay, naglanto. Hello?
Yung tail mo.
Yes.
Whoa! It's a snake?
Wait, is that a...
Maybe that's a snake?
Maybe... What is that?
Whoa!
Oh, it's a nice...
I'm sassy, you know who I be.
Vegetable name.
Ako kay si Dory.
Oh no, is that our dad?
Just cowfish.
Oh. Whoa.
Hey, Dory.
Dory, Dad, why are you there, Dad? Dad. Oh my gosh, why are you there, bro? Wait, I'm gonna take a picture.
Wow.
Wait, wait.
Wow. Amazing.
Go pa! Wala, nigyan pa ng shark. Oh, it does smell. It does smell in here. They're like so small. They're literally so small. I thought they're gonna be big ass. That's the penguin, y'all. They look so small. What's that now? She's swimming with the seal. Oh. And there's that one as well. Very pretty.
It's an upside down jumpsuit. It's called that one.
Oh, there's three cones. Oh, there's a penguin! Hello, little kitty. Look at them over there. Yeah. That's a shark over there. See that thing? There's a shark.
Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Baby, I feel
I like this one because it's pink. How much is it? It's 12 bucks. Okay, we got our stuff. This is Giles, Yin Yang Dao. This is Jazz's. Okay. And this is mine. A bracelet because it's pink.
Hi guys. So nanglood si Mami guys.
Yes.
Wala gingnan ni Kuya.
Oh, wala ginan ni ate.
Nako ear pierce.
Wow.
You
Wait,
see?
you're texting me. Wow.
Okay, I paid for it, y'all. Drama kayo, may guys. Acting na acting kayo. I don't like it. I hate that. We're gonna. Oh my god. You're always just smiling.
So guys, we are done. Hooray! Ha 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 ha.
Hey everyone, we're done with our experience at Sea Life. Experience, would you recommend it to other people as well?
Yeah.
What about you? No. Why?
Sakit sa mata.
Why? I rate it
Yes, oh mom.
9. I rated an 8 out of 10 because I just thought that there would be like a lot, you know, like a lot of fishes on the the thing, the tunnel. Yeah, that thing.
My expectation is high. So it doesn't suit my standards. You know?
Yeah, same. That's why. But why did you give it at 9?
Because why not? Magbuot ka. Because there's so much fish. Fish, jellyfish. But the penguins, I'm so disappointed. It's so small. Dili man pa dulong ang basa.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wear my necklace.
We're just waiting for our bus. It's currently 12:18 and our bus will leave at 12:30. But the bus isn't here yet. So So we're trying to figure out if we're on the right platform.
Wala siya yung salt sa? Wala siya yung salt. Makatila mo sa salt. Makatila mo sa salt. Keep eating. Uy, nihayag na.
Wow, the storm's gone. Look at the sky. It's bright again.
Keep eating. Hurry up.
Hey everyone, we're at the piano. We were supposed to go at Métier Dessert and Cafe shop, but then they closed at 4, and then we arrived here late. So, because it's currently 3:40.
Basta ka nang halang ako.
Okay, we ordered cheesy garlic pizza, carbonara, lemonade, my blueberry lemonade, and then garlic pizza, tiramisu.
It tastes like coffee and Hershey's. Hershey's syrup. I think it's Hershey's syrup. Right? This is ours. Using her money.
Can I have like a small one?
Fresh up garlic bread. I love it. I like it. I love it.
The Benochi carbonara.
Leave us alone.
I only have one left. I still got a lot. Oh no, because like I have a lot too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've got 10 here.
Okay, wait, get down. Kanina gali, oh. Tiramisu halfway. That and that. That's so full.
Guys, I can't finish it. I still got like, it's not a lot, but like, it looks a lot.
Here's mine, guys. One pizza. And a Josh guy.
It's a carbonara and a half a pizza. It's not leftovers because we're still eating.
Yes, we're gonna finish this. Ano eh? Walang imutan din. Feeling ko na. Ang wagi kasi ang baba.
Hindi ka nalagay sa pizza. Ako rin gikuha kaya I don't want to eat the beef.
Yun ang ginaan nito.
I'm so full, like literally. No kidding. No kidding.
No
I only
kidney.
have.
Are you ashamed?
Yes. Sabi, sa ko una-una kaya sabi nag... Man, baka latawan lang.
Hi everyone. So we're now riding ferry.
We're riding ferry. We're riding a ferry, guys. Shout. Shout.
We're going to UQ
Yes.
to pick up sister.
Jaxelle Lee.
We went to
Uniqlo.
and H&M.
Yes, we bought the bag.
The tote bag is so cute. It's so scary.
It's good as I promise.
Hi. How are you?
Okay guys, we're currently on our way to Jaxelle the Windy because she's currently in class. And now we're going to oh my goodness, just yellow car. Boom.
Wow.
Oh, right there guys. Yeah, dia ang yung ada yung classroom.
Look at your hair. No, what else? Guys, I just finished my class and we're on our way. We're on our way to the train station because we're going home. Hey guys, so now we're at Shorncliffe Beach and this is my family just arguing. Hi. So, maglaag me today. Beach check. May you this is mine.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hello there. I think I'm the only one that wants to swim because like I'm like ready, you know. Yeah.
Okay. Shoulder to nako. Ito na
Like, I have my towel and I've got like my clothes in here. Oh, wait, I think I can swim, yo. I think I can swim. I think I can swim.
What's the use of love?
Wait, guys, I don't think I can swim. Like, look at the ocean. Like, look at the. Oh, wait, I don't think it's that deep. I can see like the stones and everything. Why are you hiding your forehead, bro?
Yes.
So show it to
Kapalid.
everyone. Show it. Show it.
What's the use of running around?
Let's go. There's probably a shark here. Do you think? I think so. What you looking there? Huh?
That island is Philippines.
It's right there, right there. I think there are sharks here. There are a lot of fish. So I think there are sharks. Y'all, I really wanna swim, but I don't think I can because like this is like a fish spot. If I dive in, I'm probably gonna get eaten by some of them. You know what I mean? I really wanna swim. My new swimwear for me to not swim. You know what I mean? I'm just like devastated, you know. Like, look at this view. And here, like, look at this view. Whoa! And then I get soft serve ice cream. Like, oh my god, there's a truck there.
Oh, why is my color like this? Marshmallow na! I like chocolate.
It looks so pretty. Oh, no, like both of us, like together forever. Uy, wala ko na siya paki sa atin. Let's go there.
Rocky Road po na.
Let's have a walk.
But they just
Wala ako gani, wala gani ko yung
Fly
anak.
high!
Wala gani ko yung anak ba? Make me harder.
Bruh.
Make me lose my breath.
Darling, life
Life has been frustrating lately, holding tight onto a country that doesn't want me here. Darling, I feel like I've been drowning,
Get into it, y'all.
choking on
Get
responsibilities that I don't.
So y'all, we're going back to our car and go home. Like, it's so sad. I didn't even get to swim, but positive, be positive. Did get to dip my toes, my feet, exactly. Look at those.
And I write letters to you in my diary, begging to escape far away, just the two of us. Driving to
Finally,
the
we're
seaside,
here.
reading in
Okay,
the
guys, we'll see you guys later.